First, we're gonna remove the SIM card tray and SD card tray from the side. And then we're gonna use a heat gun and heat up the screen. Usually we set out the temperature around 180 and 220. We heat up for 30 seconds and check how it's going. If the screen already getting warm, we can try to remove that by the screen plastic too. Just use the plastic to sliding on the side between the screen and the frame. Just gently release the screen from the frame. There is a cable connected to the motherboard, just be careful. And there's 2 Phillips screws on the motherboard. We're going to use a screwdriver to release the 2 screws. And remove the metal cover on the cable. You can see there's sticker on the cable, but we can use the plastic to remove the connector cable. There's 3 cable actually, 2 for the cable of the screen, another one for the battery.